You know that feeling. We've all been there. You've got a PDF, it's almost perfect, almost ready to send, but there's that one rogue page you just need to get rid of. Well, today we're going to look at a way to fix that, and it's surprisingly simple and totally secure. Right? It's always something small, but so annoying. Maybe it's a random blank page tacked on at the end of a report. Or maybe it's an old draft version you forgot to delete. Or, and this is a big one, it could be a page with sensitive info that absolutely should not be in the final version you're about to email to everyone. It's such a tiny problem, but man, it can really throw a wrench in your workflow. So what if I told you there's a tool that makes this whole problem just disappear? And it does it in seconds. We're not talking about installing clunky software or digging through complicated menus. No, this is a simple, free tool that works right from your web browser. Let's check it out. Okay, so here's the breakdown of why this is so great. First off, it is 100% free. You get your edited file back instantly. It is completely secure, and we're definitely going to talk more about that in a minute. And the whole thing happens right there in your browser. No downloads, no fuss. So, how does this magic actually work? Let's do a quick walkthrough of the process. You're going to see just how fast this really is. It's really just a few simple clicks. So, step 1, you upload your file. You can literally just drag and drop it right onto the page. Step 2, the tool instantly shows you a preview of every single page as a little thumbnail, so you can see exactly what you're working with. Then, step 3, you just select the pages you want to ditch. And you've got options here, which is cool. You can just click on a page and you get this big, satisfying red X over it, so you know it's marked for deletion. Or if you're working with a huge document, you can just type in the page numbers, like 2, or even a range, like 5 to 7. Super handy. Then you hit that Delete Pages button, and boom, final step, you download your brand new cleaned up PDF. The whole thing, start to finish, can seriously take less than a minute. Of course, whenever you hear free online tool, especially when you're dealing with potentially sensitive documents, some alarm bells might start ringing, and they should. So let's tackle those big questions about trust and security head on. This is always the first question, isn't it? We've all been burned by those free tools that let you do all the work, and then, right at the very end, they hit you with a paywall or ask for your credit card. So is this one actually free? And the answer is a nice, simple, straightforward yes. There are no hidden fees, no sneaky watermarks. You don't even have to sign up or create an account. You just use it. It's just free. Period. Okay, now for the big one. This is honestly the most important question. We're talking about our documents here. They can have personal info, confidential work stuff, anything. So what happens to your file when you upload it? Is it safe? The secret to its security is a really cool concept called local processing. Now, what that means, in plain English, is that your PDF never ever leaves your computer. All the work, the previewing, the selecting, the deleting, it all happens right there inside your web browser's little sandbox. Your file is never uploaded to some random server on the internet. It stays with you. And for that extra layer of peace of mind, the second you close that browser tab, any trace of the file is completely gone from the tool. This basically means your privacy is protected from the moment you start to the moment you finish. So let's just recap the journey here. You start with a frustrating problem, a bloated file, some pages you don't want, and you end up with a clean, smaller, perfectly edited PDF. It's just a simple, elegant fix for a super common headache. You know, a tool like this is a fantastic reminder of how a common, annoying digital task can be made incredibly simple and secure. And it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? If getting rid of a PDF page can be this easy, what other digital frustrations are we putting up with that are just waiting for a smarter, simpler solution? Definitely something to think about.